The Bible said in Numbers 22, when the donkey saw the angel of the Lord, she lay under Balaam, and he was angry and beat her with his staff. Then the Lord opened the donkey's mouth, and she said to Balaam, "What have I done to make you beat me these 3 times?" So God spoke through a donkey. God also spoke through Moses to speak to Pharaoh. So if he can speak through them, he can speak through us. Marvin, Bobbitt, and the Rising Suns.
M-B-R-S, God Speaks Project.